Hi friends, welcome back to our education YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we can discuss how to enable or disable video subtitles. So if your video is not English, you can add your subtitle, your own whatever you want language. Maybe it will be add only English. So I will show you how to add or disadd. Add or remove. So for that I will open my account. So Google. Once open, go to login. So I'm giving to my mail ID. Once your account will be login, so you can see the right side top of the corner, your profile will be there display. So you can click that one. So you can click that one and go to YouTube Studio. Then go to your videos. Then you can select any video. Which video do you want to add subtitles and so on. So for that, okay, I will select this. Wait. For that I will select this one. Select video. You can see there is a more options. So you can see the more options. You can select this one or go to the subtitles. Here we have the recommendation date, video location, category and video language or caption certificate. And here you can see below the video you can click this one. So here we can on or off. If there is off, you can on. If there is on, no need. So off, on. So we can do both. If you want on, you can on. If you want off, you can off. So we'll check once the video will be how it will display like this. So I will show you another one video. Go to videos. Open settings. Go to more options. We can see there below the subtitle. After you can click that one. If you want to add your own context, your own text, you can add from here. Edit the class studio, or if you want upload any, you can download. So it will be download captions subtitles. If you want to upload your own file, you just click below the subtitles, upload subtitles. So continue. So wherever you want, you keep, you can bring from there. So you can upload like a file, any file, like you upload like a picture in YouTube, a picture in Facebook, social media like Instagram, like that. You can upload very easy process. So this is how we can do on or off the title subtitles. So this is how we can do. So if you like, hope you if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.